know you're wondering why I'm still in the Miata. I could explain. So I'll give you guys an update on the Gr86. As you can see, I still do not have it. So I'll start from my last correspondence with CarStar's Collision Center. So basically last Friday, they told me, well, they didn't tell me exactly, but they gave me a text message of an estimated time of completion. Originally, it was the 18th. And then I get a text message last Friday that it's now the 28th. Now, to be honest with you, I was very upset that it got changed that far out, just due to the fact that I have so many things that I wanted to do pertaining to like my normal life. Like, I can't leave this area without that car now. So it's definitely something that really got me upset, just due to me having to just wait around for the car. It's been over a month now, and you know, I kind of want my car back. And you know, the other reason is, as you guys know, I was, you know, my video I made a month ago now about selling this car, it's not aging well, because I still have the car. So, and to be honest with you, I'm like, dang, should I just keep it? Like, I'm already like wavering on my decision to sell the car, because I'm still driving it and it's still fun. So, you know, with me waiting and waiting and waiting for my 86, I'm like, dang, should I just, and I'm still paying for this car, I'm like, should I sell it, or what am I gonna do right now? And you know, I'm just wavering back and forth with the decision of letting this car go. But you know, with me not having, with my car being out for so long, it kind of sucks on the YouTube perspective, because that is the car that I have chosen to carry the channel, and I can't make content with it because it's not here. So, you know, I just figured I would make a update video for you guys to let you guys know that, you know, the car is still in the shop. Apparently they're just waiting on tires, from what I was told. When I did contact somebody, hey, we're just waiting on tires. I'm like, tires don't take that long. I've ordered plenty of tires, you know, from, you know, Discount Tire, from Tire Rack, whatever, and I get those things within a week. I just don't understand how we're, you know, over a month in on this repair and I'm just waiting on tires. Like, that really doesn't make sense to me. But I will, thanks to some of you guys in the comments, I will get compensated from the insurance company based on, one, I'm not renting a car from them, because to me it wasn't equivalent. They were going to give me a Malibu, so I think they're going to compensate me with cash instead of just renting the car, which is a good thing, sort of. But honestly, I don't even care about that. I just kind of want my car back. But again, thanks to you guys in the comment section that told me to contact them in regards to, you know, compensation. That's definitely going to help regardless. So it kind of helped pay the car off, or it's going to kind of help pay the car. So that's going to help. And you know, I guess it is what it is. But in all honesty, I missed the 86. I missed out on a few track days, which, you know, it kind of sucks. But I definitely plan on going full throttle with the car once I get it back. As far as like going to the track, finishing the build, like I haven't wavered for anything I want to do. I have so many ideas for that car. And for those of you who haven't been keeping up with the community, the 86 community as much, well, maybe you have, maybe you haven't, but there are a few people out there making 1,000 horsepower with the turbocharger. So I think that's pretty telling, and they even give updates of, you know, going over 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 miles with it, which is good, because now you can, you know, you guys can see that that car has potential with forced induction. And as you guys know, if you've been following this channel, that I plan on going with the supercharger. Although I'm gonna miss the little, you know, the little air that I'm gonna miss that with the turbo, but I plan on going supercharger and get the supercharger whine with the more immediate response for my driving. So, you know, going forced induction on the 86 platform is looking to be very reliable thus far. So that's definitely something I can look forward to for sure, because that's what I plan on doing sometime after the summer. As far as cosmetics, mods, I don't think I'm going to do too much more to the car, because the car is already almost like the way I want it. I think I'm just going to go with a big brake kit setup for more performance, rather than just going for cosmetics and things of that nature. So again, fellas, I do have I still have plans for the car. I'm just writing them all down and seeing how much this is going to cost me, and you know, making sure that I do whichever mods I need to do, you know, the important mods first, which to me right now is, you know, getting that brake set up, that performance package that you can now go to Toyota and get for about $2 grand, which I plan on doing that, moving up from the stock 17s on the 86 to the 18s. And I already know the wheels I'm gonna get. I'm gonna go with rotiforms, which are kind of expensive, so I'm trying to plan around that, but I am gonna go with the rotiforms, all black ones. If they have white, I might go with white, but I think I'm gonna just go with black, because it'll be a lot easier to hide dirt. So I'm gonna go with rotiforms, the 18 inches, and obviously that will fit the big brake kit, because if you do go with the performance package on the 86, you have to you can't keep 17s on there, you have to go with the 18s, unless you get wheel spaces, I guess, something like that. But I plan on doing that first, just, you know, for track purposes for sure. And then I should have the supercharger from HKS ordered by August 1st. I'll probably have that ordered and coming in as well, and getting that put in. And hopefully, again, I'm not trying to get, honestly, my goal really isn't to get like 1,000 horsepower or anything like that. I think I'm just gonna try for like maybe 350, because the purpose of the car for me is coming out fast out of the corners, you know, just handling, and then a little bit more power on the straights. I don't really need 1,000 horsepower to, you know, for the car to be perfect to me. I just think it, honestly, it's fast enough, especially for my style of driving. I think it's quick enough for me, but I'm obviously doing the forced induction setup for YouTube purposes, and then for people who are thinking about doing it, you know, and just have something a little bit more unique out in the wild. You know, a supercharged 86 would be pretty cool. Not to mention, you guys also know I'm going after these these muscle cars that keep gapping me on the straights when I'm at a red light. Like, at least if I can get a little bit of a jump, maybe, or when they're not paying attention, I can kind of beat them. But that's just a, you know, that's just a running joke, I guess. But anyways, that's just my update, fellas. Sorry, you know, the car isn't here, and like I said, a little disclaimer, I am thinking about keeping the Miata again, and I'm trying to just get a video out, because I do have training here in about a month from now, which actually, I'm saying a month, in about 2.5 weeks from now, which again kind of messes up my plans for, you know, selling this car. So I'm gonna have to keep it. So, you know, you might still see this car around more often, even when the 86 comes back, but I'm just trying to get a video out and give you guys an update that the 86 is still not here, but I just gave you, you know, a brief overview of my plans and what I'm trying to do with it when it does get back. And who knows, if I play my cards right, once I'm done with the 86 and this thing is still rolling around, which is a damn good car anyway, I might start building this too. I don't know yet, so don't quote me on it, but that's all I got, fellas. I appreciate you guys sticking around, and shout out to the new subscribers. For those of you, again, I'll briefly gloss over what I'm gonna do. Basically, this is gonna be a car build channel and slash track, track channel for my 86, and as you can still see, the 2021 Miata. I usually put out videos every week or every 2 weeks, I'm sorry, but with the summer and then other obligations, one of them being military, it's a little difficult right now, and not to mention my car has been hit. So if you haven't seen that video, please go check that out, and that'll have the details. But anyways, welcome, and I hope you guys stick around. Peace.